Are you curious about the world of NFTs and want to create your own digital asset? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating and selling your first NFT. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or simply someone interested in blockchain technology, this guide will help you get started. Understanding NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain. They can represent anything from art to music to virtual real estate. Choosing a blockchain. The most popular blockchain for NFTs is Ethereum, but others like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Tezos are also options. Each has different fees and communities, so choose one that fits your needs. Setting up a digital wallet. To interact with NFTs, you'll need a digital wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Install the wallet and secure your seed phrase. Buying cryptocurrency. Purchase cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and transfer it to your digital wallet. This crypto will be used to pay for transaction fees when minting your NFT. Choosing an NFT marketplace. Select an NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Each platform has its own fee structure and audience, so choose one that aligns with your goals. Creating your NFT. Upload your digital file, art, music, etc., to the marketplace. Customize the NFT with a title, description, and any additional properties, e.g., unlockable content. Minting the NFT. Minting is the process of creating your NFT on the blockchain. This step will incur a gas fee, which varies depending on the blockchain and current network demand. Listing your NFT for sale. Set the price for your NFT and choose whether it's a fixed price or an auction. You can also set royalties for future sales. Promoting your NFT. Share your NFT on social media, in NFT communities, and with potential buyers. Building a presence in the NFT space is crucial for attracting buyers. Selling your NFT. Once a buyer purchases your NFT, the transaction will be processed through the blockchain, and you'll receive the payment in your digital wallet. Congratulations! You've just created and sold your first NFT. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to explore the exciting world of digital assets and blockchain technology. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below.